The Falcons grounded at Kent State Saturday 27-20, due in large part to their inability to run the football. Bowling Green held to just 55 yards rushing, making play calling, in a word, difficult. There's a lot of pressure falling on the shoulders of quarterback Matt McDonald, 29 of 45 for 263 yards, a touchdown, and an interception, but 45 pass attempts entirely too much, and relying on the arm of McDonald is limiting the Falcons offensively. Scott Loeffler believes that will change once the running game finally finds its legs, something he's making the primary focus heading into their game against Akron.
In those situations, we got to do what we do well, and right now it's Matt throwing the football to these wide receivers, and trust me, there's nothing harder than calling a game like that. It's uncomfortable. It's not how we were trained to win football games. Trained to run the football, play action, pass, and obviously your passing game needs to be efficient to handle the zone pressures and all the pressures that occur to stop the run game. But we're going to keep working on it, keep trying, and eventually, hopefully in these next 53 days, we make some progress. Will we be to where we want to be? I don't know. But we need to make progress, and we need to keep moving the needle of our program.